Hello everyone and welcome again to Goma at Home. And today we're preparing tuna sandwich spread. It's very easy, but what I want you to do is that we'll prepare it ahead of time, then put it in your fridge para pag meron kang bisita or ikaw nagugutom, just open your fridge, get the sandwich, get your bread, and then yun, meron ka na instant sandwich. It's easy. Our ingredients will be tuna, canned tuna, and then some mayonnaise, onions, pickled relish, salt and pepper, and then for garnish we have eggs and iceberg lettuce, and of course for tang, don't forget lemon. First we do our onions, chop it finely. Okay, then we peel our onions, take out the head and leave the roots. What we'll do, para fine yung pag-slice natin, we'll cut it in half here. Huwag nyo lang ito todo, may maiwan lang. Oh, there's a honeybee there, oh. See that? Because right here in my house, I have a honeybee farm, yes? It's just right there at the back. So one day, we'll make a dish using honey. And then from here, just chop it on top, slice it there, and then we'll cut it slice. We'll slice it, yan, maliit lang. Some people don't want too much onions in the sandwich. Thinly sliced, chopped, and then we mix natin sa ating tuna. Get a spatula, put the tuna here, onions, sprinkle it, add all the other ingredients, put some pickled relish, there you go, hot sauce. Woo, nice to have it a little spicy. And then our base of mayonnaise. It's about a cup of mayonnaise. There you go. Put a little salt, not too much because canned tuna is a bit salty already. So just to taste, and then we'll put some pepper. Put the mortar and pestle, and then grind some pepper. There you go. I like my dish with lots of pepper. We add our lemon. Okay, let's roll it para mas madali siyang squeeze, mas madali lumabas yung juice niya. Slice it in half. There you go. And then try to catch the seeds. Depends on how sour you want it. Since it's fish, you want a little more. There you go. But don't throw your lemon because pag may amoy yung kamay mo ng onions, you can use your lemon to clean it. Wala na kagad, oh. The next thing to do is mix it. Just fold everything inside. There you go. Wow. Looks good. So it's a bit soft because of the oil galing dun sa lata ng tuna. Everything you mix, pag meron kang gagawin pagkain, always try it. Para alam mo kung magdadagdag ka ng salt or magdadagdag ka ng pepper or magdadagdag ka ng konting juice. There you go. Sakto. And now we make our sandwich. 2 slices of bread. They call it sliced bread, sliced American loaf bread. Pero nung bata kami, tawag namin dito, tasty. Yan. Bakit tasty? Siguro dahil malasa. Okay. Then, we put in our tuna. Put lots of tuna. Then, we get an egg. We just put in the yolk. Scoop it out. Let it fall. There you go. Oh, that's going to be very tasty. Put a little pepper and some iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is always curly, so what you can do is just press it there, and then put the lettuce there on top. Isa pa. Oh, there you go. There you go. And cover it. Tuna sandwich. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Goma at Home. And if you want the recipe, take a screenshot of the recipe card, and you're good to go. Yung naiwan, put in a sealed jar, put in the refrigerator. If you feel like eating, get a piece of bread, make your own sandwich, and you're done. Okay? Bye, guys.